My name is Fabian Van Damme. I'm the VP of Sales and Marketing of company DOHMEYER and our medical and pharmaceutical division Cryo Expert. I'm a key account manager for the pharmaceutical customers, and I'm product development and innovation. Our company DOHMEYER and specifically Cryo Expert are into ultra low temperatures. So we are freezing products, can be ampoules, can be vials, can be bottles, from ambient to ultra low temperature. We're talking about -80 up to -200 centigrade. I was a speaker today together with my co-speaker Kyle Koning, and we talked earlier today, we talked about cold chain, but specifically the ultra low temperature cold chain. So for example, for mRNA, you need temperatures below -40, and that's a challenge today, and we had a speech about it. We strongly believe that the principal sponsorship package gives us the best visibility towards our customers. We knew there were about 350 delegates. A lot of them are potential customers or potential partners in this industry, and being a principal sponsor, having the chance to have the biggest stand and also having a lot of other accessories, we believe that this was the best investment for us to have the majority of the visibility. The biggest challenge we see today is that a lot of pharmaceutical companies have to adopt the ultra-low temperatures. Today, pharmaceutical companies are mainly selling dry products or pills or dry frozen products, but low temperature and then specifically the -40 and below, they are not so well adopted yet. So the pharmaceutical industry has to adapt the ultra-low temperature in their production, but also in their cold chain. I was very much impressed about the speakers talking about blockchain, because we believe that blockchain technology can help us to develop also the cold chain, and all the parts of the cold chain can be monitored by blockchain technology. So we have to really investigate this. Our personal manager for this event was Daria, and she did great. She was very helpful here on the stage in connecting us with people, networking. In general, the whole organization excels when it comes to networking. Compared to other similar congresses, this is really focused on networking, and you help us a lot to make that happen. The preparation was a bit overwhelming. It was very intensive, but the good thing is that now we are here, we see that everything was very well prepared and the results are very smooth. Honestly, here on the stage, here between the booths and in the congress rooms, there is where you can really make the difference and help us that everything goes smooth.